Oh, he came off. Oh, that was a big one. Ah, darn it. All right, folks, going after some cut bows today. You know what they say, right? The tug is the drug. So gotta get out and get me some tug on the line here. Hopefully these cut bows will cooperate. There we go, there's one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh, he's jumping, look at that. Yeah, baby. Woo! Baby trout, 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 trout. Baby trout, 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 baby trout. Thanks, Gary. All right. Try not to kill any fish today, okay? All right. All right, look at these baby cut bows, baby. Oh, he was barely on. See? Take a look, huh? Pretty little thing. All right, let's get him in there. All right. There you go, buddy. See ya. All right, let's catch his big brother or something, huh? What the hell was that? Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Did you take it? I think you took it. Not bad, huh? Second cast. 2 casts, 2 fish. Probably the same fish, huh? Wouldn't doubt it, folks. Wouldn't doubt it. Where are you going? I can't get him in. Oh, well, at least he released himself. There he is. This guy's tiny. Oh man. Baby trout, 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 trout. Trout, 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 baby trout. Oh man. Baby trout. See? Baby trout. Baby trout. See the cut bow? It's either a cut bow or a rainbow. Here you go, buddy. Oh, 5 casts, 4 fish. So, if you just want to have some fun, you know, get out here, get you some fish. It's only an hour drive from Denver. It's kind of pretty out here, folks. So, come on out and get you some. All right. We should get a fish right there. There he is. This one's a better one than the last one here. He's actually tugging a little bit. The tug is the drug, folks. Right? We might need a net in this one. He's flying everywhere, folks. It's a flying fish. There we go. All right. Another baby cut bow, that is. All right. Show them to you guys. They're a little slippery. See? Pretty Colorado Rocky Mountain trout here. So, all right, let them go. All right, folks, get out here, get you some. Might as well catch more of these guys, huh? Oh yeah, there we go. This guy's a good size. All right, we're not gonna kill any today. Dude, stay still, man. You're in the net. It's almost like these little stalkers are more aggressive than like the wild brown trout, huh? Oops, there we go, buddy. All right, another nice cut bow. Pan size, we could fry them up, right? If we wanted to. All right, there you go, buddy. Folks, I kid you not. You throw it in there, they'll hit it on the cast or on the retrieve, right? They're not very far out there. Watch this, right? Just reel it in nice and slow. He's water skiing. Baby trout, 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 trout. Trout, 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 baby trout, do 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 do, baby trout, do 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 do. Baby trout. All right, stop singing that song. All right, who put it in my head? Stay still, buddy. Baby trout. Oh, you got this one good, huh, buddy? Alright, there you go. Do 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 do, baby trout. Baby trout. Oh, that's a nice one, bud. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. He's all right. It's all right. But he's still a baby trout, 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 baby trout. Baby trout. Having too much fun, folks. You guys got to get out here and get some. So one of the bad things about Gross Reservoir is it tends to get really windy, and if you can't get your spoons all the way down or your swim bait all the way down, it's really difficult to catch any Lakers. So, you know, you're gonna have to switch up tactics and you know, catch some baby trout. Just have a good time. Oh, there he is. That was close to shore. Lively ones, huh? That's not too bad. Oh yeah, can you tell? Look at this, folks. See that red part right there? That's why they call them cut bows. Baby cut bows. Now, I've kept a few of these in the past and, you know, fried them up. Oop, sorry, buddy. And, you know, they taste pretty good. Pink meat. If you remember the episode with me and Tim Herr, we fried it up right here in the lake. So it tastes pretty darn good, actually. You know? So my goal is not to kill any. Hopefully that guy didn't die. He swam off. Yeah, let me show you where I'm at, folks. So check this out. I climbed down this steep hill here, so it's gonna be quite a challenging climb here. Hopefully I don't fall and die or anything. All right, back to catching baby trout. Holy cow, folks, what do we got here? First cast. Is this a baby? Is this a baby Laker? No way. Are they hitting? Let's see. It's fighting like a Laker. Oh shit, it is a baby Laker. According to AJ and the boys, right? You can keep these pups for dinner. Nice. Laker pup, huh? Yeah, folks. Okay, I was just about ready to leave. And I said, let's try it again. Wow, awesome. Well, folks, got into 3 Lakers, but I was only able to land 1. And the other 2 broke off. So they were pretty good size here. So now I'm taking a bit of a break here and going after baby trout, waiting for the school of Lakers to come back around. Oh man, totally broke me off, man. 6-pound line only, unfortunately. Broke me off twice. All right, we got a nice brown, I'm guessing here. Oh, I soft hooked him. Sorry, buddy. Thought you were a big fish. Foul hooked the baby brown. Yeah, buddy. Get you out of here and let you go.